Hey everyone, Double P here, and welcome back. So, in today's trading session, we attacked the SPY, and out of the gate, excuse me, out of the gate, very interesting trade today. So, you can see on my screen right here, what do we always do? We always draw the box. So don't worry about this. I'm actually testing something new with these bands. These are called the ESB bands, so Echo, Sam, Bravo bands. So they're intraday bands for volatility, price action, so volatility, expansion, compression. So I'm just testing them out, so don't mind that. So here's the box. What did the SPY do? SPY opened up inside of the box here, and it was just one of those situations where I just took the trade because I'm testing these bands out, and I'm not sure if you can see this or not. Let's open this up so that you can possibly see it. So this is the top band, volatility band. This is the lower volatility band. This is the moving average right here. I just kind of changed it around so I could see it. I always have my 20 right here, and I have my 200 right there, which is the green. So the market is mixed this morning, but I decided to obviously stick with the SPY. So for you guys at the Platinum X Power Option Trader groups, you guys are seeing sent out the trade to you. So let's have a look at the trade here when I send this out to you guys and those that are on social media. 363 strike put, 25% profit, 15% stop loss. These expire today. Don't hold them. So let's have a look at this here. Sent this trade out. I'm on the 1 minute candle, by the way. So took the trade early and then got out right here because it was just the thing to do. So this was a very, 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 very quick couple minute trade because the market was shaky, it's up and down. And then I went back in on a position right here, and then I took a trade again and exited on this position right here. So right at the bottom of the box, right at the bottom of the volatility band, and right around the 200. So took 2 trades today, quick in and out, and then that was it for me, just done. Because as you see here, the SPY is making some moves. So let me squeeze this down here for you there so that you can see it. So the SPY kind of ran away, and I'm thinking to myself, do I get back in today? Well, because it's Expiration Friday with the SPY. The SPY is already made. SPY is pretty much already made its move. It's expected move. So let's come over here. The expected move for this thing is $4. The expected move is $4.22 today. So when did it open up? 365. So 365, now it's at 368. What was the low? 363. So it's pretty much went through the bandwidth of its expected move. But as you can see right here, it's still going for highs today. So I don't think I'm going to trade it today. If I do trade it today, you see support and resistance right here. Here's all my support and resistance. Price levels right here, support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance levels. So I don't chase. I'm not going to come back in here and chase this position because A, I don't want to. B, I already made my money. C, it's Expiration Friday and I'm just kind of chilling out. The worst thing that you can do as a trader is have a good week, make gains every day of the week, and then on Friday, what a lot of traders do is they give back half of their gains or a good portion of their gains because they get cocky or arrogant, or they just get sloppy, and it's Friday and they just want to get a quick trade in and out, and that's that. So I've learned from experience not to overtrade. I already took 2 trades today, so that was enough for me. Sometimes 3 is not the charm, so you got to be careful with what you do there. So for those of you that are asking, yeah, so there's my margin account. I'll come down here. Stock is in real time. Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options, real time feed. Futures and futures options, I don't trade them. The feeds are delayed. That's why you see delayed. Forex, real time. Others in real time. So you see their full blown margin account, right? Circle it there for you. I have to blur out my actual account number because I don't want to violate the terms and services of my brokerage agreement, because that's I'm not supposed to be doing that. So, some people do it, some people don't, and I don't want to get in any trouble, right? Been doing it for 3 years now, so I don't want to start rocking the boat. That's why it says partially delayed data, whatever. So let's look at the rest of the market. So everything's popping off right here. Tesla's got earnings today at the end of the day. And, we just look at that and say, okay, well, let's look at the overall marketplace. The overall marketplace is, the overall marketplace is green. So we got order flow coming in here. And my screen might be a little bit shrunk because I kind of scaled it down so it's not ultra wide. So hopefully this turns out okay. If not, you just have to grin and bear it and kind of listen to my voice, and you can kind of replicate what you see on your end. So let's come over here to visualize. So that might give you a little bit better situation, but market's kind of mixed. It's up and it's down. It's kind of like 50-50 or it's about a 50, 55, 50 advanced decline line. So I really wouldn't worry about that much. It's just back and forth. It's basically market doesn't know what kind of direction it wants to take. What's Google's down, Apple's up barely. What's Microsoft doing? Microsoft's down barely. Facebook's down. So the Titans are down. Titans of tech. Tesla's in the green because they got earnings, but barely they're up. So there's a lot of back and forth there. You can see that Visa is down. So the financials are up. All right, Bank of America, JPM, Pfizer's up, TD's up. So where's the defensive? Defensive is up. Let's look at defensive. Let's see. Well, the communications is up. Down. So it's kind of a hodgepodge. Pharmaceutical is up. So where's the defensives? Semiconductors is down. So it's just a hodgepodge of... Defensive is up as well. So, all right. So that's it from Double P. Hope you had a good trade. Oh, you want to see if I made money today, right? Forgot to show you that there because people are going to say, well, did you make money today? Well, today was a slow day, $1,600 day, 12.54%, $1,600. Don't copy and steal my shit. I'm blessed. I don't care whether it's 1,600 or 16,000 or 6,000 or whatever. As green is green, profit is profit, right? So at the end of the day, that's all that matters. So today was a slow day. It was a day where I took a smaller share position because I didn't want to get blown out, and I don't ever want to get blown out again. So you just have to be super careful on Expiration Friday, end of the week, having a good week. The SPY is just rocking right now, and that's fine. I'm not trading the rest of the day, so I'm kind of done. And all my custom stuff is going off. It's, you know. So that being said, hope you took the trade. If you didn't take the trade, that's okay too. Preserve your capital. If you got stopped out, that's okay too. Live to fight another day. Preserve your capital. If you took the trade and you were profitable, that's awesome. Good to hear. There's a coaching call coming up over the weekend. Send your questions in to the support desk. And that's how I'll do the coaching call, is I'll just answer your questions and kind of go over some charts and give you a watch list. And then we'll take it from there. All right. So that's it from me. Double P over and out. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.